Yeah, probably need to do that more. Hey folks, hope you're doing well. Just a quick tip coming to you from the shop floor. What I would like to talk about are lanyard beads. Basically, a lanyard bead is a bead that you put on a lanyard. It's basically stuff for your stuff. You have stuff, but sometimes your stuff also wants to be fancy, so you can put a lanyard bead on it. They are actually functional. For a knife or something like that, just give you something to grab onto when you want to retrieve it. I actually find they are particularly functional in a flashlight. It has two specific uses that allow you to grip the flashlight and deploy it more effectively. So here's how it works. So you got your flashlight in your pocket, you got a bead on it. There are two basically common grips for a flashlight. One is overhand and one is a cigar grip. The lanyard bead allows you to do both of those things more quickly than you would otherwise. It's all about the middle finger. I'm not gonna show you you're just gonna have to pick it out. So the first one is actually you grip the bead between your two middle fingers, like Spock from Star Trek. So you grab it with the two fingers and you retrieve it, and you can go straight into a cigar grip. And you're actually really holding the lanyard and the bead, not the light so much. Sometimes if you're looking in or over or under something and you don't want to drop the light, this just gives you a little extra security. Let's call it the Star Trek grip. Star Trek to cigar, we're just going to make up a bunch of jargon. Alright, the next one is, instead of approaching it from the front, you actually approach it from the back, and you grab it between your two middle fingers, and then you bring it up, and then you're just straight into an overhand grip. And again, you're holding the lanyard and the bead. And that's pretty much it. So there's the Star Trek grip from the front to a cigar grip, like that. And then from the back, the first two fingers into a standard overhand. I do think they look cool. Here's my lanyard bead. It's called the photon bead. It's on the site. And this here is called product placement. But seriously, this is actually valid to any lanyard bead. That's what a lanyard bead is, and that's what it's for. Thanks for tuning in for another quick tips. We will see you guys soon. My lanyard bead. It's called the photon bead. It's on the site, and this here is called product placement. But seriously, this